Hey guys, congratulations. You've decided to sell your home by yourself without using a realtor. That's fine, but here's some eight tips that you should consider before you begin. So here are the eight tips that I was talking about. So you think that you're going to be able to sell it by yourself. Just remember, you as a for sale by owner do not have access to the local MLS. So you may limit a large pool of buyers, but if you're confident you can do it and you can keep expenses down, here you go. One, price your property right. Two, show your home. Basically, meaning get serious about your listing. Be flexible and responsive to buyers. By the time you do get offers, you've shown the property, negotiate the price. If you're not going to hire a real estate agent, definitely hire a real estate attorney. And if your house has been sitting and you're wondering why, it's probably because you're overpriced. But seriously consider getting an offer from an iBuyer. We have access to those, so feel free to give us a call. My number is 917-690-5390, and I'm Peter Cunha, broker owner of Open Doors Real Estate in New Jersey, and otherwise known as the New Jersey Real Estate Giant. Talk to you guys soon. Keep watching.